This is Sky News weather.
It was a scorcher across the country on Monday. We saw temperatures up into the 40s for northern parts of Victoria, the high 40s for parts of South Australia. And Marie, one of the hottest spots, getting to 48 degrees. Let's have a look at those temperatures as our heat wave continues and intensifies Monday into Tuesday. We got to 46.9 degrees at Warburton on Monday. Unadilla got to 47.9 degrees. We saw in New South Wales temperatures at 46.6 at Wilcannia, 45.7 at Griffith, and across northern parts of Victoria we saw the mercury getting up to 41.7 degrees in Shepparton. Milder temperatures along the coast of Victoria as a result of our sea breeze coming through, and also along the coast of New South Wales, but we still got up to 30 degrees in Bega, 36 degrees in Canberra, and that's after we had a very hot night Sunday into Monday. Temperatures only getting down to 34.6 degrees at Barona Downs. That's the hottest night anywhere in New South Wales ever in more than 100 years of records. After another hot night Monday into Tuesday, we're going to see that heat surging once again all the way from the northwest down into the southeast of the country, up above 45 degrees where you see that darkest red shading coming through, more than 40 degrees for those areas shaded in that other shade of red, and large areas well above 35 degrees. This is elevating our fire danger. Severe fire danger for northern and western parts of Victoria with a total fire ban in place. That red shading where we've got extreme fire danger on Tuesday, and that's for the Wimmera. Also elevated fire danger for areas of South Australia where we do have fire weather warnings in place, and we are seeing our fire danger easing back for Western Australia, but we're expecting scorching heat to continue across South Australia, and we could see record-breaking heat in the days ahead as we continue to see this heat lingering over the interior of the country. Port Augusta, one of those areas the Bureau of Meteorology says we could see our heat records equalled or broken in the days ahead. Elsewhere across the country on Monday, we saw showers and thunderstorms impacting across parts of the top end and the Queensland tropics. You can see the cloud here on the satellite imagery. Throughout the afternoon, those showers and storms really ramped up, extending all the way from eastern parts of the top end across into the west. And we did see some decent falls associated with this. We saw 16 millimetres coming down in just 20 minutes around Batchelor over the course of the afternoon, and we saw 12 millimetres coming down in 10 minutes at Port Keats as we headed further into the evening. That shower and storm activity will continue through until we get to the early hours of Tuesday morning, then really start to ebb away. We did also see storms firing up over areas including Cairns in the tropics of Queensland, and we did see some decent falls for Cairns. When we have a look at the radar imagery, you can see those showers and storms pushing in to the coast, particularly around the tropics there. And when we have a look at those rainfall totals between 9 a.m. and 8 p.m, you can see that we got up to 21 millimetres in the gauge in Cairns and just 4.8 millimetres at Innisfail, but we did see some good falls coming through in just a short amount of time. In fact, we saw 5 millimetres coming through in just 10 minutes in Innisfail throughout the afternoon, so really making the bulk of that rainfall total. Temperatures across the country for our major centres, well, let's have a look at those showers continuing for the tropics for the rest of the night and into Tuesday morning. Those temperatures at 36 degrees in Canberra, as we said, and 40 degrees for parts of Adelaide, 41 for some areas of the city. We also saw temperatures getting to 32 degrees in Brisbane and 45 degrees in Broken Hill.